morning, dear students. My name is Sridhar, St. Peter's Engineering College, Hyderabad. Yesterday, we are already discussed ERP introduction and ERP applications and ERP functions, collaboration, competition, and etc. Now, continue the class. Today, we are going to discuss with the continuity of class from first unit. Okay. So continuity of class. Now the point is scalability. Did you know that structured ERP system allow the additions of users and functions, users and functions. The functions grow the initially implemented the solution over time. Before that, we are going to discuss with the scalability means scalability where it is use this word. So scalability means the capacity to be changed in a size or scale. Scalability means capacity to be changed in size or scale. It is called as scalability. The ability of computing process, the ability of computing process to be used or produced in a range of capabilities is called scalability. So once again I tell you, scalability means the capacity to be changed in size or scale. Okay, the ability of computing process to be used or produced in a range of capabilities. Now the point is scalability. It is in this ERP system, the structure of ERP system allow the addition of new users and functions to grow the initially implemented a solution over a time. In particular time, the one application should be additions of how many users are using one particular application in time. Okay, when your business is ready to grow or needs more resources, more resources, enterprise resources planning software should be able to facilitate that growth in particular time. Then one application, how many users are using, in particular time, initially implemented the solution in a over time. I tell you na, scalability means capacity to be changed in a size or scale in time. So that is what scalability. Then one application in time, how many users are using, that is the meaning of scalability. That is what the particular versions are, we are the particular versions are involved in this scalability function. So next one, integrated information. So in this integrated information, we are already discussed in previous class also, integrated information. So integrated information should be explaining about complete information of ERP application. ERP application. So in this ERP application means what is integrated? Integrated. Before that, let me know that what is integrated. Integrated is nothing but especially integrated with the various parts or aspect linked or coordinated. Integrated information is nothing but information passed from one place to another place. So no more issues with the data spread across the separate database. So integrated information should be maintained separate database. All information will be housed in a single location. We call it as a single database. This means you can integrate platforms like your CRM softwares with ERP system. CRM software means customer relationship management software with ERP system. Keeping a data consist accurate and unique information. So which is we are provided information, and which applications are we are using. We are providing the complete information, particular database we are providing to the other persons or other institutions or other platforms. So which is we are using through CRMs. That particular softwares are we are using through ERP apart from the CRM. CRM means customer relationship management. So this is the most important customer relationship software. So these ERP system keeping data consist accurate unique. So which is unique information? After that we are providing the unique information system in the market. The next one, cost saving. So this is the important streamline, the cost saving. So cost saving should be explaining of ERP application with one source of accurate real-time information. ERP software reduce the administrative and operation cost. Cost saving means completely related. So in this cost savings, it is completely explaining about application cost and um, integrated application cost and softwares packages. So these cost applications are very important in this ERP applications. So these cost applications, the effective of productivity in relation to its cost. Cost is nothing but cost saving is nothing but simple word. Effective or productive in relation to its cost. So this cost saving, why we need this cost saving in the ERP system? So with one source of accurate in real time information, so ERP software reduce an administrative and operation cost. It allows the manufacturing to proactively and manage the operations in the ERP system. So in this ERP system, we need to purchase of applications or ERP packages or ERP technologies. So in this way, we are using cost saving in ERP application system. If you have chosen the right solution for your business and the right vendor who meets your needs, who are bound to see the powerful ROI, ROI. So in this cost saving, different kind of modules we have in different kind of packages and different kind of technologies we have. For example, take financial management. In financial sector, we need to purchase financial packages, financial software packages. For example, take Tally ERP 9. So that is one of the application, one of the package, and Wings, one of the package, and Focus also one of the. These software is same, but the method of working technology is the difference. So that is the difference of cost saving. The cost saving means the different price or different cost are involved in ERP applications. This next one, streamline process means from beginning to ending. We beginning to ending, we are going to follow the different kind of steps and different kind of objectives and different kind of modules. Okay. As a manufacturers grow, their operations become more and more complex because of one application should involve different technologies or different packages and different module. It is not related to another software because of that is one application should do the same work but the different ways, the different technologies and different modules. Okay, the providing accurate real-time information to everyone utilizing the solution. The ERP increases efficiency and productivity by helping users and negative complex process. Okay, negative complex process. Delivery the delivery the information truth and delivery the information accurate information and delivery the information helping information to the others. It is the these kind of information it should be follow the streamline process. Streamline process means one package should be provide the different kind of information but meaning is same, different kind of information. One package should provide the another way of information that the answer is same, that another type of another way of information. And improving functions such production order and competition and the delivery streamlined and efficient process throughout product. So the streamlined process. Next one is the mobility. So this is the important topic, mobility. So these mobility is an advantages of ERP solutions like work-wise ERP software. Work-wise ERP software. So these work-wise ERP software is having access to centralized database. For example, take servers. For example, take servers. So these server interlinked, these servers has to be interlinked in one system. The interlink another systems. Interlink another system. It's called a mobility. The mobility to move or moved freely and easily. Mobility or moved freely and easily from one place to another place. For example, take server. So server should be provided different branches, different access, different modules. It should be provided information one server and different areas. Okay, and advantages of ERP solutions like work-wise ERP software is having access to centralized database from anywhere you work. Anywhere you work. For example, take online exams. Only one server should be maintained so many systems or so many computers. For example, take home-based work, online work. Only one server, the work is divided, the van or work is divided other areas. For example, take home, office, wherever to our mobile friendly solution and application. You know that, for example, take online exams, mock tests and online exams. This is called a mobility. Mobility means move the work easily and freely. It is called a mobility. Next one, reporting. This is the reporting. Then reporting means which information we get from outside and what information we are provided from here to another place. Then the what are the applications are we are using, then what are the module are we are using, which is we are going to do the work. Okay, so that is called a reporting. Then reporting means ERP software helps make a reporting easier and more customized. Easier and more customized. Up to date data, we are whenever we are going to record the transactions or informations or whatever, these kind of software, it's provided easily and customized information provided to the users or customers. With improved reporting capabilities, your company can respond to complex data requests more easily. Data requests more easily. So users can also run their own reports without relying on help from IT and savings your users and time to time use toward other projects. For example, take our college. So accountant should be recorded day-to-day transactions or expenses or receipts or admissions processing or whatever. They are recording day-to-day process. When we need the information on that time, we are going to take a directly that kind of information. It is called and then each and everything we are stored in a particular data. So that is easily if you are for getting through ERP system. We are getting offline system information and online system information. That is what reporting. The next one is productivity. Productivity means it's completely related to product. So in this topic, application, ERP application is a product. Save time and increase the productivity levels. So which is we are using ERP application in the organizations or in institutions or education institutions or whatever, wherever. Save time and increase productivity levels through ERP system. When we are using ERP system, we are getting save time and increase productivity levels. Sound to good to sound to good to be true. It's not with ERP software by having a redundant process, automated process, process and automated process. More time to work on another pressing project takes less time, high productivity. So which is we are using ERP application in simply less time, high productivity. They will also be able to work easy. They will also be able to work easily since the solution was designed for easy of use. Then ERP applications, for example, take in previous days in accounting, for example, take accounting section in previous days they should be maintained the logbooks and ledger books. Not now only so many companies are using ERP applications, not only accounting, HR system and management system and account system and marketing system, wherever you go, compulsory we are using ERP applications. So these kind of ERP applications easily provide the information and we are preparing the day-to-day occurrence information. We are going to record in application. We are going to record the information into the application. Then easily we can do the work, and the solution we get, easily we get the solution from the productivity of ERP. So next one is regulatory complaints. The regulatory complaints, according to Companies Act, the regulatory complaints is the most important for every company, which is we are making, which is we are using on application. Compulsory we need a license. We need license. So which applications are we are using compulsory? We need a permission from we get a permissions, and we get a complaints from regulatory commission. So these kind of things we need compulsory. So what are the regulatory complaints here only? A benefit of ERP software which sometimes goes unnoticed is how it is ties well into regulatory compliance in the manufacturing industry. So for example, take manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry means we are manufacturing some products, for example. Compulsory, we need to take a permission from the company side. That is most important. Which product we are going to manufacture, which product we are going to make. And at the same time, as well as now only we are talking about the ERP application. So which application we are going to manufacturing, or which application we are provide the information compulsory, we need to access the regulatory complaint as per Companies Act 1956. This is the powerful ERP solution, the powerful regulatory complaints. So these powerful ERP solution will keep a track of regulations within the industry and monitor changes in complaints. And every year it should be making some changes in regulatory complaints. That is the access point. Next one is so uh, next one is flexibility. The modern ERP software system are flexible and configurable. They are not size fits all proportion. Flexibility means so in this application systems we will go to follow the versions. So according to 2009, we are going to follow the 6.0 ERP version. Now 2014 7.0 version. In 2019 9 version. Now running version is 9 version. Flexibility means then unique needs of business. ERP system also can adapt the never changing needs of growing business. Flexibility means how much we need flexibility. Versions, flexibility is nothing but versions. That software systems are manufacturing some flexible versions or configurable versions. So these are the flexibility things, ERP system. So need to growing business or ensuring you want to have to buy a new solutions once your needs and changes of business grows. So this is the process of functions of ERP solutions. Thank you very much, students. We will meet next video. Thank you.